One of the incredible tools Motorola provides is the Software Fix PC application. The power of the Software Fix tool is to help resolve software issues you may be experiencing, and will run a complete software update on your Motorola or Lenovo Android device. Before you begin, make sure the Software Fix PC application is downloaded and installed. To find the download, visit support.motorola.com and locate the Software Fix option. This will take you to the Software Fix product page where you will see the download button. Once the Software Fix PC application is downloaded and installed, be sure to have enough room on your PC to download the software for your phone. It can be around 6 GB once unzipped. To get started, log into Software Fix and locate the rescue feature. It is important to know that not all phones are connected to the PC in the same way. The rescue feature will show which process is recommended for your device. For this video, we are going to use the fastboot connection process. When updating the software, the device needs to be manually switched into fastboot mode. Once the phone is in fastboot mode, the IMEI can be easily read from the device. To enter fastboot mode, power off your device. Connect the USB cable to your PC. Locate the volume down key on your phone and press and hold it. While keeping the volume down key pressed, connect the USB cable to your phone. The device should now power up into fastboot mode, and a green Android image should be seen. Please note some models can take as long as 30 seconds for the fastboot mode to show. Once the green Android image is seen, you can release the volume down key. The rescue process will detect the fastboot mode and show a summary of the phone details. Once the phone model and carrier are confirmed, the current firmware to run the software update will be shown. Select the Download button to start downloading the firmware file. After the firmware file is fully downloaded, it will take a few minutes for the file to be unzipped. After the file is unzipped, the Rescue button will now be available, and the software update can be started. Confirm that you accept the privacy agreement. If you are trying to fix or restore a phone, then it is recommended to erase all the data from your phone. While the Rescue software update is running, it is important to keep the device connected to the USB cable. This process typically takes between 5 to 10 minutes depending on the model. Once Rescue has completed, your device should now power up and can be disconnected from the USB cable. If you do not need to run Rescue again, then the large firmware file used can be removed from your PC. Simply select the OK button, and the Software Fix tool will remove the files. If for any reason the software update failed, it's best to start over. Disconnect your phone from the USB cable and start from the beginning to run a new test. It is highly recommended to use the Backup and Restore feature first to create the backup of your files, and they can be restored after the rescue is completed. If you have more questions about your Motorola device, visit support.motorola.com.